This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet Equinox, functional utility for a modern lifestyle. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults, a 3.4-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a passenger side vanity mirror, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.